Hello, my name is Alexis Bofferman. Please excuse my voice as I'm a little sick and it just happened to be the same day that I have to record this video. This is my website. It's based on a future online store that I'll be opening up with my friend Angie. It's called Angie and Alexis. I wanted to go with a really clean and simple look so the user will be able to find everything easily and browse their way around our website with no problem. So this is the homepage. As you scroll down, you will find a little bit more about us, the collections we have and latest trends, our blog, bestsellers, latest news that you'll be able to also find on the blog, and a quick way to join our newsletter. So the homepage is pretty much a summary of everything that you can find on our website except for the cart. If you hover over the store, a drop-down menu comes and you can click on shop. Here's a list of all the products that we have, and for example, if you're interested in buying this item, you can see exactly the price and the sizes are available. Let's see that you're medium. You can click on add to cart, and then it tells you exactly what you have selected and you can view your cart. It seems like I had already selected two before, so if you notice that you want more or less, you can update your cart here and then click on proceed to checkout, where the customer will be taken to a page where he or she can fill out all their information and see how much the shipping will be, which is a flight rate of $5. If you click on the contact tab, you'll be able to find all of our information to be able to contact us by phone, address, and email. And at the bottom, right here, you can send us a quick message, and at the bottom you have another option to join our newsletter, and then it also lists all the information right here. If you click on the blog, there's not a lot on the blog, but there is an announcement here of a warehouse sale that we had, and then you'll be able to find this box as well here. So this is my website. I hope you enjoyed it. The hardest thing for me was figuring out how to work Divi, and especially adding these images and having them look high quality in the size that I wanted. So resizing them in Photoshop and then moving them here. It was also a little difficult to figure out at the beginning how to change the colors of the backgrounds and the buttons and everything, but once I learned and got a hang of it, then it wasn't that hard anymore. So I hope you enjoy this, and I wish y'all luck on this final assignment. Bye.